Hi, I'm Dr. Avantika Tripathi, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, course mentor Dentium. Today, I will be explaining about the Dentium Trephine Kit, a precise and efficient tool used for atraumatic removal of implants and bone harvesting. So, this is the Dentium Trephine Kit. Let's see what's inside this kit. There are 8 Trephine Burs in this kit. The diameter of these Trephine Burs is starting from 3 mm till 10 mm. There is an inner as well as an outer diameter of each Trephine Bur. The total working length of each Trephine Bur is 14 mm and the markings present are at the level of 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Let's demonstrate bone harvesting in this dummy model. Let's put the Trephine Bur in the ICT motor handpiece and set the motor speed to 600 to 800 rpm and the torque should not exceed beyond 45 Nm. While drilling with the Trephine Bur, when we have reached the cancellous bone, then we will reduce the speed and we will slightly twist our hand and then we will gently remove the Trephine Bur. Now with the help of any instrument, we are going to check whether the cortical plate has loosened or not. If we feel that the cortical block that we are harvesting is loosened, then we can remove it or we will just redo the procedure again. So redoing it again at a lower speed. Once we feel like the cortical bone that we are harvesting is loosened up from the margins, then we will just loosen up a little bit more with the help of any instrument and we'll try to separate it from the surrounding bone. Once we feel that it is separated, then we will just pick it up with the help of any instrument and this bone block is ready to be used for bone grafting. This harvested bone graft has cortical plate and some portion of cancellous bone. Let's demonstrate the removal of failed implant with the help of the Trephine kit in this dummy model. I have already placed an implant of 4.5 mm diameter and I will remove this implant with the help of Trephine Bur of slightly larger diameter. So I have chosen the Trephine Bur of 6 mm outer diameter and 5.2 mm inner diameter. I will use the drilling speed from 600 to 800 rpm in the clockwise direction with the copious saline irrigation. So I will start the drilling process by putting the Trephine Bur over my implant that is already inserted. Because it is a failed implant, it is nicely osseointegrated inside the bone. So I will be removing the implant along with the surrounding osseointegrated bone. So I am going to place the Trephine Bur over my implant and then I am going to gradually start the drilling process. The angulation of my Trephine drill should be exactly parallel in angulation with the implant. So I will increase the depth gradually and I will go slightly deeper and I will remove the implant along with the surrounding bone. We will remove the Trephine drill gradually and we will see that the implant has come out along with the Trephine drill. So this is the area from where the implant is removed. So as we can see, minimum amount of bone destruction has happened after removal of implant and this is the implant that has been removed. So a nicely osseointegrated fractured implant or a failed implant which is unfit for prosthetic loading can easily be removed atraumatically with the help of this Trephine kit. If I have to remove an implant of 5 mm, then I have to choose the Trephine Bur of 7 mm, which will be able to remove the implant along with the surrounding bone atraumatically. That's all about the Dentium Trephine kit. For more surgical updates, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.